This is our project, Analysis of Methods to Improve Indoor Air Quality. Looking at the state of the industry, most buildings today have an HVAC system installed in them, meaning there's a lot of money in the HVAC industry. And an essential part of any HVAC system is the air purifier. In 2020, the air purifier market was valued at $10.67 billion. That industry is expected to grow rapidly in the coming years due to the COVID-19 pandemic and recent concerns about air pollution. Because of the pandemic, a new market for air purifiers specifically designed to kill viruses has appeared. The problem with this new market is that the technology is new and largely untested. Any tests that are conducted are in laboratory conditions, which don't reflect real life. Providers will claim their products are effective from the results of their tests, but their systems may prove to be ineffective in real-world scenarios. We made a decision matrix comparing 4 different purification technologies across 5 weighted factors. The highest weighted factor was the effectiveness against viral contaminants, since that is what most consumers value right now. Adding up all the numbers shows bipolar ionization to have the highest score, so we focused our project on that type of purifier.
Our project is focused on bipolar ionization purification technology. Based on the decision matrix score and comparing the pros and cons of indoor air purification technology, we chose bipolar ionization purification technology to eliminate VOC or volatile organic compounds. Some scientific research showed bipolar ionization is the most effective method to purify indoor air. Bipolar ionization uses 2 ions to destroy viruses and VOCs. 2 ions are used for these technologies. Those are negative or oxygen minus ion and positive hydrogen plus ion. Oxygen minus ion is the game changer ion to extract hydrogen from the protein part of the virus. That makes the virus dead. The appropriate ionization energy must be reached. Furthermore, it also removes VOCs and particulate matters from the indoor air. Our project tests and models will be assessing the effectiveness of 2 types of bipolar ionization methods. Those methods are dielectric barrier discharge ionization and needle point ionization. These pictures are the 2 types of bipolar ionization. The left side is the electric barrier discharge, and the right side picture is the needle point ionization.
These are the 2 sensors we'll use to collect experimental data. The SenseEdge can detect temperature, humidity, and VOC levels. The Gray Wolf meter is much more accurate at monitoring VOCs, so it will be used to collect the majority of our data on VOCs.
Concerning our current progress, so far our evaluations are purely theoretical. However, we just got our needed equipment from our sponsor last week, and this is sufficient to conduct our initial baseline testing by the end of the semester. The equipment provided consists of a dielectric barrier discharge ionizer and a SenseEdge air quality monitor, which will help us to measure VOC, temperature, and humidity. These apparatus can be seen from the previous slides. Concerning our testing procedure, it is supposed to take place in Crovers 110. The experiment consists of a cardboard which is going to be painted using a paint containing VOCs. The apparatus listed above will help us to monitor the level of VOCs in the room. Furthermore, our sponsor advised us to carry out the experiment using a portable length of duct with fan and also to insert various ionizers into the apparatus. This will allow an easy control of ion generated and airflow.
In the future, we will begin testing by first building our testing apparatus, establishing a baseline with control tests, then testing both the ionizers and comparing them. Our sponsor also expressed interest in doing tests with mold spores, which behave more like the COVID-19 virus. We will also create a CFD model to characterize ion flow and distribution for each ionizer. At the end, we will compile all of our results together, evaluate each type of ionizer, and make a decision as to the best method for air purification.